Hi everybody, today I'm going to be showing you how to make this beautiful macrame plant holder. So let's get started our video. Guys, here I have taken tree branch. Now tie a knot as shown in the video. Just like this, tie all the knots. Guys, here I have tied total 10 knots. Tie a knot as shown in the video. Here I am going to be doing left over right and right over left. It's very easy to make. After tying a knot, you will see a triangle shape that we are looking for. Now tie a knots as shown in the video in all of this. In this we are going to be leaving 2 threads and repeat the same process as we have done. Now this is the third round. In this we are going to be leaving 3 threads and repeat the same process as we have done earlier. Just like this, continue this process, and once you get the end, it will look like this. Now guys, I'm going to be making a design. So what I'm doing, grab the 2 strings in the middle, grab the right over string, then place it over the left string and tie a knot as shown in the video. Tie a very tight knot. Now we are going to be repeating the same process in the opposite direction. Grab the left over string, place it over the right string and tie a knot. Secure it very well and you will see a pattern design here. That is we are looking for. Now guys, repeat the same process in all of this. Make sure guys, the knot that you are tying should be equal. Now here I have tied all the knots. Now we are going to be taking the 2 outermost strings of the loops and we are going to be making a hanging, or you can say a hang area for our pot. So tie a same knot as we have tied earlier. Next, I'm going to be taking the edges of 2 knots and tie a knot as we have tied earlier. Grab the 2 strings in the middle, grab the right outer string, place it over the left string and tie a knot. Just like this, repeat this process in opposite side. Now I'm going to be repeating the same process in all of this. Guys, make sure you connect the all strings together. I hope guys that you are understanding this knot. I have made a separate video on unique macrame plant holder. There I have explained very well. You can check out this video in I button or at the end of the video. Now after tying, it will look like this. Now we are going to be placing our pot, and at this we are going to be tying a knot. So you have to tie a knot according to your pot. Here I am going to be tying a very simple and an easy knot. You can see in the video. Secure it very well guys. Tie the knot with your hand. And there it's look. Guys, here I have cutted the remaining pieces of threads with the help of scissors. Then add your pot in this and dear its look. Hope you love this video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you so much for watching.